Hello, have a good day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is Jovenal Narcisse, and we are going to show you how the fading is going on with my Levi's 501 jeans, which is the shrink to fit. If you remember in my past videos, this is the particular denim jeans that I cook in boiling water so that it will shrink to a better size that will fit to me. And I've been using this particular denim jeans for the past 33 days. And as you can see on the front, you have some whiskers developing and some fading on the crotch area. And then some whiskers also on the side because I've been using this in cleaning my backyard while I'm sitting. So you have some stocks there and some honeycomb. So I think we'll have to wash this, and after washing and drying it, we'll find out what is the difference and outcome of these denim jeans after using it for 33 days. So we'll look at the other side. So basically you have soil. I've been sitting while working, and you have some honeycombs at the back and a little of a stock behind the pots. I bought this particular denim jeans in the United States, and I cook it. I I submerged it in the tub while I was on quarantine in my hotel when I arrived back from the United States. So we're going to wash this for today, and we will find out what's the difference if from the time that it was new and up to the time that you will be able to wash it for the first time. By the way, I've soaked this for uh, one time and cook it once, and then submerge it for the first time once, and that's it. After using this pair of Levi's 501 shrink to fit denim jeans for 32 days in my farm, using it in my backyard gardening, this is what it looks like after I wash it for the first time. So you have a lot of fading and some creases and whiskers that you can see after one wash. Since I've been sitting during my work, I can see those whiskers have developed in a short time of 1 month and 1 day or 2 days. So I don't know where I got this stain, but still the fading is seen in the knee portion. Maybe I got it while I was kneeling, and you have those lines, whiskers on the knee and some stains. So this is the pair of denim jeans that I boiled in water, if you remember in my past video. So you can review on my past videos on this kind of denim, and you can see how I was able to shrink these jeans from size 30 to maybe at this time it's already 29 inches in waist, and in inseam it's already 28 and a half. So we'll see at the back portion. So this was size 31 and 30. 31 waist, but I think it's already 29 inches. So I was able to reduce 2 inches in the waist size, and in the inseam I was able to reduce maybe another 2 inches, I mean. So you can see at the buttocks area it's faded. There are some stain, and at the back pocket, at the right back pocket, there is some fading also. Maybe the edge of my wallet. The other side, it has some fading also. I have some honeycombs behind the knee, but not so much. And basically this has some fades after 1 month of using it. Okay. Nice fade. So what is our conclusion here? I think our conclusion here is that I think you don't need the selvedge denim to have a good fading effect on your denim pants. All you have to do is get a pair of Levi's 501 jeans or any of those models on Levi's, and then make sure that they are 100% cotton, and you can have some experience on fading on your jeans depending on what type of work that you do in your daily activities. So with that, thank you for watching this video, and once again we have proven that a raw denim or 100% cotton denim is good for your fading adventure on your pair of pants. Thank you and have a good day.